All right, so we need two consecutive positive odd integers in problem number 3. I already wrote down the equation. The square of the smaller number, there's your x squared, minus 5 times the largest, there's your minus 5 times x plus 2, equals 26. So you're required to distribute and then combine like terms in this problem. When I do that, I end up with, in its entirety, let's see, x squared minus 5x minus 36 equals 0. And I get that because this negative 5 had to multiply to negative 2, which gives me negative 10. And then to get the 26 over to the other side of the equation, I had to subtract 26. So there's my minus 36. This problem's factorable. This becomes x minus 9 and x plus 4. This is equal to 0, so that when I solve both of those mini equations, I end up with x is equal to positive 9 or x is equal to negative 4. In the beginning of the problem, we were asked for positive odd integers, so negative 4 is a rejection. We have to have 9 as our answer here. So the smallest integer is 9, and then 9 plus 2 is 11. That's how I came up with 9 and 11. On problem number 4, we need 3 consecutive positive integers, x plus 1, and x plus 2. This one's big, okay? So it turns out that the difference between, so difference is indicating subtraction. We're looking for the difference between the square of the largest number, okay? So square of the largest number is going to be this x plus 2. So square of the largest is x plus 2 squared. And this was difference, subtraction, the square of the smallest number, which is x squared, is 12 less than the square of the middle number. Well, to show 12 less than the square of the middle, that would be x plus 1 squared minus 12. Remember, this word, less than, is a turnaround word, so that means the square of the middle has to come first, and the smallest, or the minus 12, comes after that. So this is big. If you look at it and read it again, the difference of, there's your subtraction, the square of the largest and the smallest is equal to 12 less than the square of the middle. Now you're required, when you do this, you have to take x plus 2 and multiply it by itself. X squared is x squared, and then you have to take x plus 1 over on the right-hand side and multiply it by itself. I'm going to jump ahead. You can choose to use box method to do this multiplication, or you could double distribute. Either way, when all is said and done, you get your whole equation. It's going to be x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. I get that through distribution and combining like terms and then moving all of my right-hand side. Actually, I ended up moving all of my left-hand side to my right-hand side. So I get x squared minus 2x minus 15. We can go over this part up here, how I moved, if it doesn't make sense tomorrow in class. I take this factors into x minus 5 and x plus 3. This is equal to 0, so that when I solve, I get x is 5 and x is negative 3. This is going super long, and I'm sorry for that. If x is equal to 5, then that means my next number is 6, and then my last number is 7, but it really actually asks for the sum of the three numbers. 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 18. Whoa, terrible, horrible, crazy problem. Hope you have a great night. See you tomorrow. Bye.